Hi there and welcome to our Excellence Assembly. It's Friday the 30th of April and it's our first Excellence Assembly of this term. So we've got lots and lots of great things to share with you today. As always, we'll start our assembly with our Bumblebee class. This week's first award is presented to you, Elijah, for being a superstar with your learning this term. Your team have been so impressed that you've come into school every day ready to learn. They love watching you, how excited you are to learn about the ocean, and love hearing about all the new facts you've learned. That comes with a big well done from Mrs Osborne and from Miss Finn. Second award this week in Bumblebee class is presented to you, Thomas, for being on fire with your writing this term. You've blown the team away with how incredible your sentences are becoming, and they love to watch you grow with enthusiasm each day to complete your writing tasks. A huge well done to you, Thomas, from Miss Finn and from Mrs Osborne. Into our class now. Sophie, the team have noticed you for your excellent approach to every single aspect of your learning. Every day you bounce into school with a smile on your face and you're always striving to do your best. It's been evident particularly in your English writing this week, and you've used your apostrophes well. You've also shown a mature attitude towards PE lessons, talking about ways in which you can improve your skills. A big well done to you, Sophie, from Mrs Green, Mrs Moss, Mrs Grace and Miss Hugan. Our second award this week is for you, Lexi, for your positive and happy attitude each and every single day. You arrive in school every day with a smile on your face and you always aim to give your best. Your maths learn this week has simply blown the team away and your times table knowledge is developing, and this is really, really good to see. Lexi, you're always a kind friend to everyone in our class and the team are very proud of you for that. Well done, Lexi, from Mrs Moss, Mrs Green, Miss Hugan and Mrs Grace. Into Dear class now. Our first award this week in Dear class is for you, Albie, for embracing every single activity that is done in school. The team thought it was lovely to see you joining so well with the road safety workshop this week, and you've shown the same enthusiasm in the recent past with events like the Easter egg hunt and the visit from Olympia Boxing. You throw yourself cheerfully into so much of what Dear class are about. You've also been trying really hard to take on board the adult advice, so a big well done to you, Albie, for your mature attitude. That comes from Mr Cook and from Miss Simpson. Our second award in Dear class this week is for you, Amelia, for demonstrating a positive and conscientious attitude each and every day. The improvement in your writing since the start of term has been incredible to see, and this success is because of how hard you have been trying. You're always happy to listen to advice about how to make your work better, and nothing is too much trouble for you. You show the same attitude around school, always helping out and considering others. A huge well done and a big thank you to you from Miss Simpson and from Mr Cook. Moving to Otter class now. Our first award this week in Otter class is for you, Joshua, for your enthusiasm for learning and your contribution to each and every lesson. You have an excellent inquiry mind and you're never afraid to seek clarification when you need it. This week, your math in particular has been noteworthy, demonstrating a deep understanding of dividing decimal numbers. A big well done to you from Mr Clark and from Miss Mexter. Second award this week is for you, Florence, for your all-round effort and enthusiasm for all your learning, for your high standard presentation in your learning books, and also in particular your contribution to French lessons. You have an excellent knowledge of the French language, and your input into the lessons really enriches the experience for everyone else. A big well done to you from Mr Clark and from Miss Mexter. Now, Badger class this week. First award this week is for you, Teddy, for your fantastic work in English. It's been a pleasure to join your English lessons where you've been revisiting sounds, exploring a new story and writing sentences. You've also shared a book with the whole class, which you read with confidence. A big well done to you, Teddy, from Miss Bennett, Mrs Smith and from Miss Webster. Second award this week in Badger class is for Lola. Lola, your confidence which continues to grow and grow. Every day you push yourself joining the class discussions, you volunteer to share your ideas and you strive to improve your learning. Keep going, Lola, it's lovely to see. A big well done from Miss Bennett, Miss Webster and Mrs Smith. Fox class awards this week are for Lois, for working incredibly hard to create pieces of work to such a high standard. Your learning is such a joy to read, from your English to your history. This week you created a beautiful non-chronological report on crime and punishment during the Anglo-Saxon times, from the beautifully presented handwriting to the historically accurate content so wonderfully written. We cannot wait to see more from you, Lois. That comes from Miss Hughes and Mrs. Taylor. Our second award this week is for you, Anya, for applying yourself to every aspect of your learning. The pride you take in the presentation of your work is commendable, and you are always willing to engage and participate in whole school discussions. Even when faced with challenges this past week, feeling reluctant towards our new Year 6 leadership roles within the school, you persevered, which was so lovely to see. Keep up the great work, Anya, from Miss Hughes and from Mrs. Taylor. Now we have quite a few birthdays to celebrate this week. First of all, happy birthday to Harry, to Matilda, to Harrison and Mr. Cook, who all celebrated their birthdays last week. This week we're celebrating birthdays for Erin, for Lila, for Frankie and for Connor. A very happy birthday to you all. Now some exciting news. As we start to feel more confident in school, we have decided to bring our Excellence Assemblies back together as a school community for our children in school. So from next week, we will be bringing our children out onto the field on a Thursday afternoon where we'll present their certificates in the fresh air while we can safely distance as well. We'll change the way we present assemblies to our parents, and we will tweet out on a Thursday afternoon pictures and messages from the class teams, and also let you know who's been awarded the certificates in the assembly. That does mean this is our last Excellence Award online for now, but who knows what the future will bring. We look forward to getting our whole school back together safely from next week. Finally, I'd just like to say a huge thank you for all the support you have shown for the team in school over the past difficult terms. Very grateful to all the families that took the time to fill in the survey over the Easter break. Our governors are now looking at the results of that survey, and we're making some follow-up calls over the coming weeks. Also, thank you for supporting us with the routines in the morning. Just a reminder, if I can please, to make sure you're lined up at the right time in the morning so we can get our children quickly and safely into school, ready for the start of their school day. Thank you once again for joining us today. We hope you've enjoyed our Excellence Assemblies as they've been online, and we look forward to sharing them next week with you in a very different way. Take care for now, have a great bank holiday weekend, and we'll see you all back on Tuesday.